So in the last video I did, I made a statement. And as soon as I made the statement, I thought to myself like, wow, I gotta go deeper on that. And so yeah, let's do it right now. Let's go deeper. So the statement that I made is that I said, make sure you trade what you see. But I left it right there. There's more to it. You should make sure you trade what you see and not what you think. And I know that sounds kind of weird and it's hard to wrap your mind around it. But see, in trading, it's very important that you trade what you see. You know, all that matters is what's happening right now, especially us that's in binary options and using price action. All that matters is what's happening or what we think is probable to happen in the next 3, 5, or 10 minutes. Those are our trade setups. Those are how long we're in them. So we don't really need to know what's happening, you know, on the day chart. So like for an example, here's a pro tip for you. One of the biggest mistakes traders make that can throw you off from trading what you see is watching the news before you start to trade, because it's going to give you all type of biases. You know, they're saying that the price is going up, so all day you're skipping great shorts because your mind is thinking up all day, up all day. Well, prices might have went up when the news was being, you know, prices might have went up, then they saw the news, saw it, they wrote an article, then you get the article. Now prices in consolidation about to head back down. You're late. Don't watch the news before you trade. It gives you biases and it keeps you from trading what you see. But as price action traders, we know the market cycle. We're watching the market cycle. We know exactly where our setup is going to take place. Our setup starts to take place at the right spot. Then we wait for a beautiful signal candle. If we get a perfect signal candle, we pull the trigger. We can live with the results after that. If all that takes place and I saw it in real time, I'm taking my trade. If I see a high, a lower high, right off of the top of a range with a beautiful signal candle that closes on its bottom, I'm pulling the trigger. That's my setup. I see it. I expect it to go lower in the next 5 minutes. That's the trade. And so once you learn price action and market cycle and your setup that repeats over and over again every day, it's easy to just trade what you see. So you'll get a lot farther ahead trading what you see and staying away from anything that can influence your bias. Just go in with a clean slate every day when you look at your charts. Just don't get caught up on thinking, well, I feel like it's gonna go down. No. If it's not showing you it's going down, not showing signs of going down, you don't roll that way. You just stick to trading what you see and you'll be much further ahead. So hey, that's the increase lesson for today. I hope you liked it. Hey, this is a great time to please like, subscribe, and share with friends, and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. I have a lot more coming planned for the remainder of the year. So I hope you guys stay with me. But as always, we're going to do a trade example. So let's get right into it. All right, so we're looking for our low, push up, higher low. We want this candle to come down, touch the EMA, not be able to close under it. Yep, and then we want to see a beautiful signal candle up, expecting we're going to test these highs and these highs up here. All right, here we come. We got a low, push up, higher low. This is making a nice signal candle right off the EMA. This would be a 5-minute setup. This trade triggers low, push up, higher low, expecting a test here. Beautiful signal candle coming. Yep, look like it's making it. All right. I wouldn't mind it closing above this candle, above here, any of that. That wouldn't be too big for me. All right. Closing your top, closing your top. We're in. Expecting that we're going to test these highs here and this high up here. So this is the final candle, and this is looking like a home run if we can hold on, but we had a low, pushed up, higher low, beautiful signal candle right here for our 5-minute setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We knew we were probably going to be testing these highs and these highs, and that's exactly what happened. Perfect price action. Look at this rally, base rally, or look at this one leg, 2 legs up to a new high. Perfect price action. If you need to learn how to trade, you're in the right place. Home run. So I hope you liked that trade example, and I hope you liked the lesson today. If you did, you definitely probably should watch this video, where this is where I said the first time I said, trade what you see, and go into this about chart reading, and it'll really help you. So my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton.